I've been talking a lot about my expectations for 2026 to be a bottom year, a bear market. And a lot of you are probably wondering, okay, if you're right, how am I supposed to prepare for that? Because the reality is that bear markets are brutal if you are not well prepared. And yes, you can look up, some amazing books you can read. I mean, a lot of the books I have back here on this shelf are fantastic. But there are actually more practical tools that you can use that are literally as easy as Altrady to understand how to trade in any market conditions. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video. So on the Altrady platform, over here on the left-hand side, you can't see it's because it's collapsed a little bit, but right here behind my head, I have to hide myself. Hold on, pop, are the puzzles. Now, this is awesome because the puzzles are super helpful as well as quizzes that are available. But I'm getting ahead of myself because some of you don't know what Altrady is. So Altrady is a third-party trading platform, meaning that you can connect your crypto exchanges, and they have 15 plus exchanges and other ones on the way, to Altrady to basically execute all of your trades, whether it's going long or going short, creating bots to run on multiple exchanges or just one, or having different strategies per exchange. You can even monitor and I can't really manage, but you can monitor your MetaMask wallet, even your BTC wallets. So it's a really great platform to help you. And they go way, way, way further than the competitors do with this. So let's get into this, the puzzles. I don't even want to talk about it because I have not done these puzzles at all. So I'm actually going to do a couple of these just to show you what it's like. So the cool thing about this is that it has a couple of quizzes, but it also teaches you how to understand what we're looking at, and it gives you some practice tests, which is really cool. So we're going to go over here to the smart money concept. So we have 6 different quizzes and 130 questions, which is awesome. So let's go to structural swing points. That sounds actually really, really, really helpful for a bear market because we're going to see lots of charts making lower lows and making higher lows, but they'll be making these pivot swings that we can trade over and over and over, whether we're longing or whether we're shorting. Let me see if there's anything else. Liquidity, points of interest actually would be even better. Let's start with this one first, structural swing points. All right, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and play now. Learn to identify and validate swing highs and lows, spot liquidity traps, and understand their role in market structure. So let's go ahead and play now. So we're given a random chart. We're given a futures chart. Awesome. So then it's asking us, is it a swing high? And we have 20 sections here. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to see, is this a swing high? And this is the hourly time frame. Oh, that's amazing. I've taken a lot of time, apparently. It's telling me show hint. Let's go ahead and see what it says. So swing high. So it's helping me to identify what this structural swing point is. So here's a high, a low, higher high. Here's a swing low, and it pushes up above. So I'm going to say, yes, it's a swing high. Correct. It meets all the criteria to be a valid swing high. It breaks out through the previous swing high. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. And I'm going to collapse the left-hand side so we can see a bit more. Okay, this is better. The highest between its neighbors, and the price is revisited the lowest point, which is awesome. Cool. So let's go to the next one. Let's see how I do. Is this one a swing low? I'm going to say no. Oh, correct, because the price actually dumped a whole lot more. I love this too, because check it out. It even draws the arrows on here automatically to tell us and to help us understand what we're looking at. So it's saying that it broke structure right here, which is amazing. Wow, this is really cool. I'm going to keep going. Next. So is this a swing low right here? I would say no. It's hard to see. I wouldn't really necessarily say so. I would say this is the swing low. So I'm going to say no. I think it's going to keep going. Correct, it says. Oh, okay. So let's see. Okay, perfect. Oh, it's not a correct swing low because the price does not break out beyond the current swings. Cool. So let's keep, so far, I'm doing great. 3 out of 20 correct. All right, awesome. Now we have a swing high, or it's asking if it's a swing high right here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, it is. Incorrect. Oh, why am I incorrect? It's not a valid swing high because the price still didn't break out beyond the current swing points. This is awesome. Actually, I like this kind of learning much more because even if you're not sure what to do and you're not, not understanding things fully, the more you do this and the more you train yourself. So we're going to go ahead and replay this. So I can see that this is now not a valid swing high because it didn't exceed it. So no. Oh, wait. Yes. That's okay. I was wrong. So now it's asking, is this a swing high? Yes, this is. Perfect. We're going to keep going. All right. Is this now a valid swing low? Absolutely not. No, the price hasn't even dropped that low. Correct. All right. Is this a swing high? Yes, because it pushed up above. Ah, okay. Cool. So you guys get the idea. I mean, this is pretty fun. We're going to go back over here. I'm going to quit the quiz. Let's go ahead and check out another one as well. We're going to go back to the puzzles. We're going to go back to smart money concepts. I want to go down here to points of interest. So sharpen your trading skills by quickly identifying smart money points of interest, fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, and rejection blocks. Now, to be honest, I know fair value gaps. I don't know what any of these things are. I'm probably missing something here in terms of the education where it teaches you what these things are, but I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into it to see what's going to go on. I love, again, that if it just brings up AVAX. Okay, cool. And we're on the hourly time frame. So you have to understand what point of interest is being tested. Is it a fair value gap, order block, BB, or RB? Well, I don't even know, to be honest. So that's a swing low, swing high. I don't really know. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to say this. No, it was an RB, a rejection block. A rejection block, a long wick that shows the power of buyers providing extra support at this area. So I'm going to go ahead and play this so I can understand why it's a rejection block. So it's a rejection block. Cool. I already guessed it wrong, but now I understand why. And you get the idea. The point of why this is really great, and this actually works really, really well in tandem with the back tester, which I've already made a video for as well. And I don't think this video has to be massively long either to go over that. I've already made a video talking about it. The reason why this is so helpful is because we don't have to wait for the bear market to actually start learning about this stuff. We can just get right into this to help us understand and to practice all of this. So while you're even waiting on your trades to close, you can go in here and to practice liquidity. Understand this quiz helping you to identify liquidity sweeps, equal highs and lows, internal and external liquidity, and compression. Train your eye to spot liquidity traps and opportunities like a pro. I mean, this is the kind of stuff that's actually going to help you survive the bear market. If you practice and prepare yourself mentally now with these quizzes and just doing this over and over and over, you will train your eyes to understand what to look for and what is really important here. So the benefit, again, of doing this is that these puzzles, for what I understand, they're included in your subscription to Altrady. So while you're waiting in a trading terminal for your trades or your positions to close or bots to close their positions, this is awesome because now you can just use the puzzles to practice while you're waiting on things to close. And again, I've already made a video talking about it's not the back tester necessarily, but it is a back tester in that you can practice strategies on live charts with random timeframes, random tickers, and use leverage. You can even practice shorting there. Honestly, this is not, you couldn't pick a better time. That's what I really want to say is you couldn't have picked a better time for this kind of a tool to be available. So that way you can practice trading and prepare yourself for the bear market to come. If I'm wrong, cool beans. You're going to be practicing and getting better at trading anyway using these fantastic quizzes from Altrady. So again, if you want access to this, you have to sign up to Altrady. There is a link in the description below. Let me know what you think about this as well. If you've used it, I realize that this is probably not what you were expecting, but this is how you can become a better trader by understanding how to recognize all these chart patterns and putting it to the test, literally testing yourself over and over and over again. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section down below. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.